Go get Uncle Aaron.
Uncle Aaron.
Go get him.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
You can do it. Go get him.
Kinley, come here. Give me hugs.
Big hugs. Go give him big hugs.
Come here. Give me a big hug. Yeah.
Ball.
There's a ball right here. Ball right here. Oh, you want that one?
I cannot believe how good she's doing.
Down. Give me the juice. Thank you.
Let's take a picture.
Oh, I got you. There's your picture. Click. Come here. Come around and see. See Kinley? See how good she's walking? She walking.
Oh, let's see me.
You want to see you? Well, you can't see you from behind. There you are. When we go inside and watch it, you'll be able to see it. Kinley, can you say hi to Mommy?
I want to see.
Hold on. Kinley. Say hi. Hi.